In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can send money to South Korea using RemitBee. So to get started, hit the link in the description or in the pinned comment section. Once you're on the website, select sign up. And guys, once you sign up, you can download the mobile app as well. So here, all you need to provide is your email address and the password to get started. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Once you have logged into the upper website, select send money. Select add new recipient. From the drop down, search for South Korea. Select continue. You only have the option to do a bank deposit, so select continue. Complete the recipient's information. Select the bank that you want to send the money to, and then select continue. Enter the amount of money that you want to send. It gives an estimate of how much money the recipient will receive, and then select continue. Select your purpose of transfer and select continue. Select your payment method. I'm going to select e-transfer and select next. For the e-transfer, you're going to log into your bank and initiate the e-transfer. Ensuring the message to the recipient, you add your email address that you used to create your RemitBee account. Scroll down and select continue if you selected e-transfer. Now on this page is just a summary of your transaction. So to send money, just hit confirm and send. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.